Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you a simple recipe for healing scars on the face or body, such as acne scars or various skin disease. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like. This paste will help you get rid of scars in a few short weeks. It is easy and very simple to prepare and use, and it's also completely natural and free of harmful chemicals. Okay, so what you'll need is a small bowl and 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Put it in the bowl. Now take 1 tablespoon of organic cinnamon. Mix the honey and the cinnamon well until you'll get a smooth paste. If the scar is on your face, apply the paste you created on the scar area and leave it on for 10 minutes. If it's on your body, leave it on for 30 minutes. Then rinse it with warm and pleasant water. Use it every day until you'll see the results. It will take a few weeks. It is simple and easy. Share your results in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!